How to stake or lock up CRO tokens on Crypto.com exchange app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen, and in this video I'll guide you and explain you and how you can stake or lock up CRO tokens on Crypto.com exchange app. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now if you are doing it through the Crypto.com app, you can go to the card tab, select your Crypto.com card, follow the on-screen instructions to stake CRO and accept the terms and conditions. If you want to do it on the exchange application, the Crypto.com exchange app, you want to log in and then you want to select lockup and earn, and you'll be headed to this page. Now you want to head into accounts first. You can head into accounts and there you can see the staking option. You can head into it and there you'll see the staking option there. Under discover you should be able to find their options. You can select the lockup CRO, select lockup and earn, select lockup CRO, then enter the amount, CRO amount to stake, and you can see, go ahead and enter in the prompts, select review lockup and then select confirm to lockup. This is how you can lock up or stake CRO tokens on Crypto.com exchange. Hope this video helped. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.